Spectroscopy. Introduction. Spectroscopy is the branch of science dealing with the study of interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter, or it is the measurement of electromagnetic radiation means EMR absorbed or emitted when molecule or ions or atoms of a sample move from one energy state to another energy state. Spectroscopy is the most powerful tool available for the study of atomic and molecular structure and used in analysis of a wide range of sample. Principle of spectroscopy. This principle is based on the measurement of a spectrum of a sample containing atom molecules. Spectrum is a graph of intensity of absorbed or emitted radiation by sample versus frequency or wavelength. Spectrometer is an instrument designed to measure the spectrum of a compound. Absorption spectroscopy and analytical technique which concern with the measurement of absorption of electromagnetic radiation. UV 185 minus 100 nanometer visible, 400 to 800 nanometer spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy 0.76 to 15 micrometer. Then emission spectroscopy and analytical technique in which emission of a particle or radiation is dispersed according to some property of the emission and the amount of dispersion is measured. For example, mass spectroscopy. Next is electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation consists of discrete packets of energy which are called as photons. A photon consists of an oscillating electric field and an oscillating magnetic field which are perpendicular to each other. Here is diagram given. Electromagnetic waves. There is magnetic field, electrical field, propagation of direction and wavelength. Properties of electromagnetic radiation. First, wavelength. It is the distance between two successive maxima on an electromagnetic wave. Units are cm, centimeter, millimeter, nanometer and micrometer. Frequency. Number of wavelength units passed through the given point in a unit time is called as frequency. It is denoted by V and units are cycle per second, hertz. Wave number as the number of waves per centimeter in vacuum, means 1 upon wavelength. Velocity. It is the product of wavelength and frequency and is equal to the velocity of the wave in the medium. V is equal to n into lambda. The relationship between wavelength and frequency can be written as C is equal to V lambda, as photon is subjected to energy, so E is equal to h nu is equal to hc upon lambda. Interaction of EMR with matter. Electronic energy level. At room temperature, the molecules are in the lowest energy level, E0. When the molecules absorb UV visible light from EMR, one of the outermost bond lone pair electron is promoted to higher energy state such as E1, E2, En, etc. is called as electronic transition, and the difference is as delta E is equal to H nu is equal to En minus E0, where N is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Delta E is equal to 35 to 71 kilocalories per mole. Second, vibrational energy level. These are less energy level than electronic energy level. The spacing between energy level are relatively small, that is 0.01 to 10 kilocalories per mole. For example, when IR radiation is absorbed, molecules are excited from one vibrational level to another, or it vibrates with higher amplitude. Thank you.